Imagine waking up one morning to find that you have no access to clean drinking water. And you're not alone. Your entire neighborhood is struggling with the same issue. This is the harsh reality that residents of Andrews Farm in Boxford, Massachusetts have been facing. And it's a crisis that has been unfolding for far too long. But here's where it gets controversial. Despite the urgency of the situation, the Andrews Farm Water Company has failed to provide a reliable solution, prompting the town to take drastic measures. And this is the part most people miss. The company's inaction has led to a declaration of water emergency being signed by Massachusetts Governor Maura Healey, allowing the state to intervene and restore water services to the affected area. The declaration is a significant step towards resolving the crisis, and it's a move that has been welcomed by the town officials, who have been pressing the state to take action. According to Boxford Town Administrator Matt Coogan, the emergency declaration will enable the Department of Public Utilities to bring in a licensed operator who can take control of the Andrews Farm Water Company system and install a new operator. This is a crucial development, as it will finally provide the residents of Andrews Farm with access to safe and reliable drinking water. As Coogan explained, the town's primary concern is the well-being of its residents, and the repeated service interruptions and the company's failure to provide clean water have made it clear that drastic action is needed. The situation has been particularly tough for families like the Reeses, who have 3 kids and are struggling to cope with the lack of water. Trying to get by just as best we can, but it's tough going through dishes, can't wash dishes, can't wash clothes, can't really do anything, said Jeremy Reese. His wife Jennifer added, "What's more important now than a whole neighborhood of 53 homes not having water?" The Boxford Board of Health has already issued its own emergency declaration for the Andrews Farm community, and the town has been working tirelessly to provide support to the affected residents. The Boxford Fire Department has delivered bottled water and 24-hour bathrooms, showers. And bottle filling stations have been made available at the town fire station. A tanker truck of water will also be delivered to the neighborhood by 9 a.m. Thursday. But as the situation continues to unfold, one question remains: how could this have been allowed to happen in the first place? The Andrews Farm Water Company's failure to provide reliable services has raised serious concerns about the company's management and the regulatory framework that is supposed to ensure public health and safety. As Coogan pointed out, the company's conduct has been unacceptable and deplorable, and it's essential that the state takes a closer look at the company's operations and the measures that can be taken to prevent such crises in the future. So, what do you think? Should the state take a more proactive role in regulating water companies? Or is this a case of an isolated failure? Share your thoughts in the comments below.